Hello there guys, welcome back to another episode of my life in the village. It's me, your girl Sarah, and if it's your first time seeing this video, kindly consider subscribing and give me that thumbs up. And please, this is the place to be. Don't go far. Keep coming, keep coming, keep watching. We have much on the way to come. And if you've been coming again and again to watch my video, support your girl, I want to say thank you. That means a lot to me. So without much to waste, I want us to get into our today's episode, and I hope you'll enjoy, you'll love it, you'll have fun, maybe learn something. And yeah, that's what we are here for, just living life. So let's get into this. So first thing in the morning is to make sure that I've prepared tea for my family before I move on to do anything else. Actually, a sugar here for now goes at 260 shillings, $2.6 that is. I don't know how much, let me know how much is a kg of sugar in your place. And I think comparing to the where I came from in Migori, I think this one is a bit more. Yeah, the quantity is a bit more, I think, according to what I feel. I'm not sure, but I feel like this is more, because comparing to how I lift it up, and I feel so let me know how much is a kg of sugar in your place. So as you can see, today we are preparing our Kenyan tea, and in my jiko is already black tea. I started with adding tea leaves because we have some members who don't take milk. So if you happen to have that a situation in your home, you know what a struggle is. So this one I started for the person who doesn't take milk. I had to start with tea. You have to start with the tea, adding tea leaves on your water and sugar, let it boil. Then next I'm going to make sure that my sugar has tasted in the black tea first of all, because if when it comes to when I'll add milk, it will be okay if the black tea tasted sugar, yeah. It's okay. Let me add a little bit more. Remember, it's add sugar to taste, to your own taste, not to a taste. That's why I can't tell you how many cups, or spoons of sugar you are going to add. So it's upon you, according to how you want your sugar to taste, and tea leaves as well. So with me here, I have already a sieve to sieve my tea, and a cup to get a small quantity of black tea. So after it has boiled, as you can see, my tea is already boiling. I'm going to take my tea, black tea, the quantity of black tea that I want. So as you can see, I already have my 1 jar of black tea, and now I want to add the milk to the remaining tea in the sphere. That's how simple you can work things out, instead of first of all cooking the white tea, then black tea separate, waste of firewood, time, and sugar thing. So here guys, I have my milk. It's not a lot actually, It's like 1 cup of milk for the people, like 2 people who doesn't take white tea or black. Okay, who are not doesn't take, but who are okay with the white tea. Of course, you can take black, white, yeah. So it's always my life in the village, and I hope you're enjoying. And you subscribe, give me those thumbs up, guys, if you don't mind. So guys, I don't know whether you can see my tea is really boiling so much. So guys, next on I'm going to, today I have a plan of cooking githeri. So before I go prepare maize, I'm going to place some water on the meko for githeri to start preparing the jiko with the strong firewood and like that. So let me set my fire on before I bring my maize. And this one. Githeri is actually a mixture of beans and maize. Yes, that is our lunch today. So my maize are clean, guys. I'm going to add them on in my sufuria. Let's do this. As you can see, it's a lot of githeri, guys. It's not less githeri because today is since it's on a Saturday, and most people here actually preserve this day of today. They are Seventh-day people, and they usually visit homes, visit each other, relax together. So we are expecting a lot of visitors today, so that's why we had to cook a lot of githeri. Actually, githeri saves a lot, especially when it comes to visitors. Instead of cooking ugali or some meals, just cook githeri, then fry it so well with black tea, and you're good to go. This is big. I'll look for a next, as you can see, my maize has already been boiling. So guys, as you can see, this is the githeri that we were cooking previously, the maize and beans mixture, and this is how the meal looks before it is fried. Just maize and beans out of this sufuria before it is fried, and this is how we just fried it. We just fried it with onions and tomatoes and some dania, because we didn't have so much ingredients to pimp it, and we had a lot of visitors. Actually, as you can see, my githeri, as much as it is already finished, and this is the portion I had to remain with to show you the end result. So on a Saturday, so we normally experience a lot of visitors, we receive a lot of visitors, and yeah, At least I managed to get this one to show you the sample of my end results. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being with me. Kindly consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and leave a sweet comment down below. Till next time, have a nice weekend.